guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara tote bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, medium weight interfacing, lining, zipper, tape rule and scissors. The measurements for the bag we are making will be 12 inches by 10 inches. I have two of these Ankara fabric and I've already ironed medium weight interfacing on it. And the next thing you want to do is to, from this bottom part, you measure 2 inches. I am measuring from the 10 inches. Okay, so when you measure 2 inches from this point, you come up and also measure 2 inches. I'll do the same here. 2 inches by 2 inches. We are going to cut this off. So I'll do the same measurement for the other side of the bag and I'll also cut it out. When that is done, the next thing we want to do is to fix the handle for this bag. So you're going to measure it and you get the half of 12 inches is 6 inches. So you're going to mark 6 inches in the middle and mark 2.5 inches to the right and to the left. I'm going to do the same measurements. This is the handle that we'll be using for the bag. I've already ironed a medium weight interfacing on it, so let's measure it. So this is 16 inches by 3 inches. And what I did, I folded into 2 equal half. Then I folded the edges. I folded on each other. I'm going to stitch straight down. And you're also going to stitch this other handle straight down. After stitching, you're going to stitch your handle on this marked part. And stitch the other handle same way. Stitch the handle. Next thing to do is to cut out lining, same measurement as your fabric. I have 2 lining here, and the measurement is 12 inches by 10 inch, same as the fabric. So I'm just going to place the fabric and your lining same way, and you will stitch. Look at where you are stitching. You're stitching here, here, and this part. I'm also going to do the same for this other bag. After stitching the lining and the Ankara together, I'm just going to trim off the excess lining. When that is done, we are going to stitch the bag. together. I'm going to stitch this part straight down, straight down. I'm going to stitch straight down. When that is done, now we are going to stitch the side of the bag. Open your bag, stitch, and you are also going to stitch. After stitching, we are going to turn the bag inside out now. This is what the bag looks like now. So let's set this aside. I'm going to cut out another Ankara fabric. I'd already ironed medium weight interfacing on this fabric, so let's measure it. This is 12.5 inches. Remember, our bag is 12 inches, so this half inch is for joining allowance, and this is 1.5 inches. Same measurement with this. And you're going to put your zipper in between this. You want to stitch, you open it, you're going to top stitch. You're also going to do the same here. You're going to stitch straight down, you open it and you top stitch on it. After stitching, this is what it looks like. We are going to cut off the excess zip now. Bring back your head of zip before you cut. Okay, then you're going to fold, stitch, stitch. After stitching, you want to turn inside out. Okay, open your zip. We are going to attach it now to the back. Turn your bag back to the wrong side. We are going to fix this way. Okay, this part that I stitch to this part of the bag that I stitch also, we are going to pin it. Okay, this other part that is stitched to this part that is stitched, I'm going to also pin it. See, so you stitch the rest of the back. And I'm going to stitch round. After stitching round, you can now turn the back side out. This is what the bag looks like now. I'm going to go back. I'm going to top stitch. Top stitch round the back. Just hold the bag this way and top stitch on it. So guys, I have stitched round. You are really going to take your time when you want to stitch this, because I have to stitch this way like this, so it's not really easy when you are trying to stitch this on the sewing machine. So you are really going to take your time just be patient while you are trying to stitch this tiny edge, okay? And so this is what our bag looks like after stitching. See how beautiful this bag came out. We have come to the end of this video, guys. If you have yet to subscribe, please subscribe, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. For my returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you for always coming back to watch my video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share this video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next tutorial.